What's good? It's your boy NHSH1 back at you with another YouTube video. And today's video is something very random. We are learning how to make cheese eggs. These are the eggs that we're gonna make in a little bit. But yeah, don't forget to smash the like button. Alright, y'all. I don't know why. I was just feeling hungry. I wanted to make a video. I saw some eggs. I said, let's get it. But if you go on to enjoy today's video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Welcome to my gourmet kitchen. So, today, we're going to be making scrambled eggs. This is the bowl that we crack the eggs and put the yolk in. As you can see, I've already gotten started. So, but don't forget guys, once you do that, you're going to want to take a fork, right? And you're going to want to get this little white stuff out. Because that is the baby chicken. So, what we're going to do, we're going to carefully, there we go. We carefully get it out, and we're gonna go throw it away. Now, good job, guys. We're gonna take our second egg. See, I'm making 3 eggs, so we're gonna take our second egg. We're going to crack, open, make sure that no shell gets in there. Looking good. So now we're gonna go in with the fork, carefully take out the baby chicken. Up, boom, we got it. Now let's go throw it away. Time for the third egg. Let's do this. There we go, guys. There we go. Let's go throw the shell away. Now we want to get the baby chicken out. Alright, guys. Almost. Oh, it keeps falling. There we go. Yeah. Alright, we got it. Alright, guys. So, we're done with step 1. Step 1 was crack all the eggs, put them in a bowl. Now, we move on to step 2. Alright guys, now it's time for step 2, which is put a piece of butter in your pan and then start to heat your pan up. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the heat, put on a 4. Alright guys, put it on 4. That'll keep it, that'll heat it up, not too fast, but that will also make your eggs a nice, delicious temperature. So now, we're going to take the butter, we're going to cut a little piece. This is really good for your eggs. So cut a piece off, and we're going to move it around. Alright guys, move it around some. Just really move it, manipulate it until it melts. Make sure it gets all over the pan, alright guys? And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, alright guys? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright, so butter has been spread. Now we need to go back to our eggs for step 3, which is the mixing. So what we want to do here is the hardest step. We want to mix all of our eggs so that they're combined into one big, yolk, I guess? I don't know. We want to go fast though. So these eggs are gonna turn out golden, alright? You dig? Golden, okay? So We're still going. As you can see, I had the bowl lifted a little bit. That makes it easier to mix. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? All right, give it a good minute or two, and we'll be ready for step, what, 3, 4? 4, step 4, right, this is step 3. Pick up our bowl of egg juice, see that? And then we're gonna pour it in, yes sir. But, we're gonna keep it on there for a little bit, but we wanna go and grab a utensil. So we're gonna go in our handy cabinet here, get one of these. This is clutch, all right? Rubber spatulas are clutch. All right, so we're gonna let it sit for a little bit, then we're gonna kind of move it around, make sure it doesn't all heat up in one good spot. All right, guys? All right, you see this? Now we're gonna flip it. If we let it sit like that, it will turn into an omelet, so we need to beat it up a little bit. Alright? But we're making cheese eggs, so let's. Whoa, that's dirty. We're making cheese eggs, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide on over to the kitchen and we're going to get some cheese. We got the cheese, so we're just gonna plop that in there, let it melt a little bit. We have a second piece over here waiting on standby. And we're gonna wait until, I'm gonna throw the second one in here right now. Who cares? I mean, I care, it's my food. But hey, let's throw the second one in here now. We're gonna mix it around. We're gonna let it melt. I'm gonna get back to y'all when the cheese is melted. Finished stirring up these eggs, so I'm gonna put them in a bowl and they're gonna be ready to eat. Yes, sir. So we are now finished with our cheese eggs. All right, y'all. So don't forget to smash the like button. It's your boy NAHSHON, and I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.